So to get started with this mail merge feature, we're going to go to the mailings tab, and then we're going to go to start mail merge, and we'll use the step-by-step mail merge wizard to do that. All right, once we click on the option, let's do that again for step-by-step mail. We'll go to the right hand corner here. We're seeing the option to select the document type. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is selecting that document type, which in this case we're working with letters, and so we'll leave it there. Click on the next option. Then here is where we're given the option whether we want to use the current document or select another document to start. And we'll just work with the current document that we have here. And so we go to the next option for the recipients. And for recipients, we have two options. We can use the select recipients from existing list or type a new list. So we're going to work with the option for typing a new list, right? And then we'll go to the option here for create. Once we do that, then we can enter, and these can be changed. These different columns can be edited or customized by using the customize column option there. And if you made an error, you can always delete the entry, but we're going to work with it for simplicity. So I'm going to go ahead, put in my title there and my name. So we have those information there. So we have John Doe and company, the cars are us or something like that. And we can go ahead and type new entry. We'll have Mary Jane here. Let's go Mary Jane. Let's put that in, and let's say this is maybe something like, yes, hairstyle limited. There we go. All right, so then I can click on OK. And it's going to ask me to save this information. So I can go ahead and save that as maybe something like data for letters or something like that. Letters. There we go. Maybe I should save this in my documents instead. So yeah, there we go. All right, so click on OK. I think this should do it. Just previewing what we have entered. You can click on OK. And then we can go to the next step here. Click on next. And this is where we write our letter. Well, I already have that formatted already in terms of the basic idea for this letter. Just keep it very simple. So we have that already. So the next step that we have here is we can insert, right? We can insert the merge fields that we already created here. All right, so I can go ahead and insert. This is using this option, insert merge field. For example, title, first name, last name, company name. All right, so in this case, maybe I have something like there, and we can put the title, and then we can put last name. Well, there should be a space here, really. Space last name, and the company, we can insert that here. So I'm going to insert the company name right here, space. Good. And of course we could put the dates in and everything. So also typical letters, you have your title here, and first name space last name. Good, we have that in, and we also have the company to which we're addressing that letter. Okay, so what will happen is that these are simply placeholders. So as soon as we merge this letter, it will basically be customized to the specific persons that we want to send this letter or document. It doesn't have to be a letter per se. It could be any type of document that you want to have multiple recipients for. All right, so what this feature does effectively is allow you to create this document once, and then you can actually send it to multiple persons afterwards. So it's pretty cool. So we can go to, we can save this. We can save this in My Documents, and we can save it as maybe, let's call it a merge. No, let's call it mail merge. Let's call it mail merge template. Okay, there we go. All right, so we have saved that. So the next thing we can do here, we can go to the next option, and this is where you're able to preview. So notice I'm previewing this now as it would be sent to the various recipients, how it would actually look. So we're not seeing the placeholders here, we're seeing the actual data. So the title, first name, last name, and the company name, and yeah, salutation, and so on. So this is how it would actually look when we send it out. All right, so we can go ahead and we can click on the option here to complete the merge. All right, and then what we're going to do also, we can go ahead and click on the option here on the merge to edit individual letters. All right, and you can click on all, and that will pretty much merge all the letters in one document for us to see. So we only had two recipients, so that's why we're only seeing two letters merge here. But if you had 100, you'll see all of them in this merge document. And we could go ahead and we could also save this one as well. All right, just going to save this as letters, all letters, something like that. All right, and this is pretty much it. This is your mail merge feature, and this is how it works. I hope that you would have benefited in some way from this tutorial, and if so be the case, then like, subscribe. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.